guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to do a chain stitch or a foundational chain. So first things first, you're going to source the cut end of your yarn. You're going to loop it over, pin a little circle, and also loop it backwards again, creating a little Q. You're going to hold on to this to the center strand and to the cut end. You're going to pull it through, creating this little circle, which is now your slip knot. You're going to pull on the end that is still attached to your yarn, creating the size of the circle that you would need to put your crochet hook through. You're now going to yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop, and you can continue to work all these chains depending on what you're creating, whether it's a blanket, a bralette, so many stuff you can create from a chain. I'm going to show you one more time. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. What I did when I was first learning to crochet, I had made a bunch of chains before I got it just to the tightness or to how loose I would like to do them. So depending on the pressure you put on the hook, they're gonna come out a bit tighter. If you put less pressure, they're gonna be a bit looser. So I'm gonna be showing you how both would look. So this is what your chain should be looking like. What I normally do also, practice how to hold your hook depending on however it's comfortable to you. Some persons hold their hook like this, some hold it like this, others hold it like this, but I hold mine this way because this is how it's comfortable to me. And thank you guys for watching, and I do hope you learned something from this video, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye.